Hey makers, let's see what we have in store for us today. Alexa, what am I making today?
Good morning, Mike from Making Makers.
Hello.
Today you will be creating a farmhouse table and bench. Now get moving, lazy bones.
That's today? Hey guys, it's Mike from Making Makers. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this farmhouse table. A client of mine reached out and wanted a walnut-topped modern farmhouse table, so I came up with this design. I did it in SketchUp, and you can see in the corners I'm putting up a screenshot of what area I'm working on to better help with the video. Please let me know in the comments if you think this is helpful or useful. The first thing I'd like to do with these kind of projects, especially if I get the lumber from Home Depot or Lowe's, is I do like to thin it out a bit, about 1/4 of an inch, and make the wood a lot smoother and easier to work with. It also saves me a ton of time at the end of the project. I don't have to do much sanding or wood filling. For lap joints, I like to use a dado stack in my table saw. I couldn't find my insert, so it looks a little dangerous what I'm about to do. Please use an insert if you try this. You can also do this without a dado stack. It just takes more, front and back revolutions. These 1x6 are probably the only thing that I did not modify. This cut was pretty steep, I think at 58 degrees, so I used my table saw for that. The rest I could do on the miter saw. My Craig jig is kind of messed up, so that's why you'll see like a rag there to help hold it in place. Nail makers, I use a nail gun, but that's just a personal preference. You can absolutely do this project without a nail gun. For me, it just helps things stay stable and before I actually end up screwing something in. I've developed free plans for this table. They're on my website, www.making-makers.com. It should be under Farmhouse Table Plans. It's also going to include, obviously, a cut list and a shopping list. And this table was made with a walnut top. I got the walnut from a local sawmill. It came to me rough sawn, and then I dressed it up using my planer and joiner. However, if you don't have access to that, you could make the top look, however you want. There's so many different ways to make a farmhouse table. Obviously, you'll have to make 2 of these, but you know, for the sake of time, I'm just showing you how to make one side. This is just another look of how I put that together. What's kind of nice is this camera angle is actually just from my garage security camera. Let me know what you guys think. I think it adds a little bit of value because you're able to see some things that I do that I'm not really able to get with my normal camera angle. I know you guys are liking me in socks there. I know that's pretty awesome. Okay, once you get the boards looking the way you want it to, go ahead and mark up and give it a number or a letter so you don't get confused later once you have to flip it. Now, as you've seen in my other videos, I tend to use a biscuit joiner, but feel free to use dowels or whatever your preferred method is. The purpose of this is to help keep the boards flat. I like to use an ink roller for my glue ups. I think it does a great job spreading the glue around, and it really helps me reduce the amount of drips on the side for some reason. Now for the final coat, I used a wipe-on poly satin finish instead of the high gloss, and I think it came out great. Let me know what you think in the comments about this design. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. The modifications that you guys make have always been super creative. Hey makers, thanks for watching that video. I have a cut list, plans, all up on my website. Be sure to check it out and stay tuned because I'm going to show you how I made the farmhouse bench that goes along with this table. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so and click that bell so you'll be notified of my next video, like the bench. All right, see you next time.